it's time to clear. You know we can finish something else. Let's go. You got the door already. Yo, I can't fit me right, dude.
Reals?
Yeah.
Something Okay, let's go.
So, you introduce me to your ride. Where's your ride? Okay, over here.
What was that one?
Here's your right. So, here's your ride.
This is my ride?
Yeah, it is, dude. It's the parking lot. So, can you explain what kind of rims these are?
I don't even know.
Okay, how about the handles? So, how much is it?
I actually checked them all.
Okay, so, I got the keys. Alright, thank you. Alright, I'll call you later. I'll tell you. Get start the engine. Let's go.